Hi guys, so for this video I'm going to do a what's on my iPhone. So I'm scooching over to make room for my iPhone right here. Alright, so on my iPhone, as you can see, there is the picture of my gorgeous son. I'm just going to open the screen right now, and as you can see, everything is switched up on my iPhone, right? Right now I have this thing to change up my apps. I download this app called Coco PPA. So if you go on in any of my apps, you'll see that they are how they are normally. So I have to put them in folders so that because with this app you have to, if you delete the app, then when you click the apps it won't work. So let me show you what I mean. Down here at the bottom you see I have my son as my photos, my Snapchat and my WhatsApp, that's my husband and my son, and my YouTube, that's me. So when I click YouTube it launches, but then it also, I have to click open in order for it to open, and then it takes me directly to YouTube. Alright, so that is what that is, and I can scroll up and down. I can look at my videos, well, my subscriptions rather. So Trisha uploaded a new video. Hey, what, yes. So this is my, I think I'm in my Lyric Uncut account. Yeah, it's my Lyric Uncut account, and these are my videos. I have, you guys will see, I have some videos that are not yet uploaded. Mega Mart and Ball Game. So yeah, so let me show you what to do to change my apps, and I can change whatever you want. See, I choose at the bottom there, I choose my family, but you can choose, you can go into the app itself and create whatever you want to create. So I'm going to show you now, and I'm sorry if I'm looking down, but this is the app here, and it's loading. So now right now I am going to don't support later, I guess. So this is what it is. So you can just go on the icons, so you can click whatever icon you want. But how I got my family is to be there. Let me just show you what I mean. So you can click the shoe icon there, or like this music icon, right? And you say choose this. I click choose this icon. You choose the background, so it can be white, black, gray, red, pink, whatever background you want it to be. I would typically choose either white or black. Then you click OK. And after you click OK, then it put whatever app you want it to be for, whether Facebook, Safari, Snapchat, let's do Instagram. So it says this screen will be displayed as your Instagram icon. You say OK, and after you click OK, then you click this. Y'all don't walk up and down backside. After you click that, it takes you to another what you call it now, screen or whatever. Then you click the box with the arrow going up, or the other thing to tap button and select it as your home screen. So yeah, so that's what I did, and that's how I got my apps to be how they are. So the first thing I have is my app store right there. As I say, it always prompts you to open, and when I checked it out on this Coco PPA site, it says that for the new iOS device, that's what happened. Yeah, sorry about that. So now I'm just going to continue. So I'm just going to open back my phone again, because I don't know what happened a while ago. So that's my app, my app store. Basically that's what it is. And the apps that I have downloaded, no, that's wishlist. Where's the apps? Oh, updates. So those are all the apps that I have, which you guys are going to be seeing. I think this is so cool that I'm actually screen recording, so forgive me. Then I have the Bible app, and as I say, I have to click open to open it. So the Bible app is just the Bible app, I guess. And then you can choose verse of the day. You can go at the bottom, you can read, you can do your plans. If you have plans on there, you can make plans, you can make bookmarks. There's so much you can do on this Bible app. You have videos, you can watch videos on there. It's so cool. So I have that. Then I have Chrome. I don't know Chrome, and Chrome is more specifically for my Lyric Uncut channel, because for my Lyric Uncut channel I already have my Jamaican makeup artist YouTube channel synced to Safari. So I want to have my Chrome synced to my Lyric Uncut channel, if that makes sense. So this is my Chrome, and my Chrome is saying that right now. Let me just go ahead and close that out. But that's Chrome. And eBay with the word E. And that's it's just basically what everything is, right? It's basically what everything is. This is basically what everything is. This is basically what everything is. I don't know. Then I have Facebook, which y'all gonna see like my life right now. Get your life. Okay, so and there goes my Facebook. What's on my mind? That's my brother, right? Ryan Missionary Chester. And enough now to understand, enough will never know Jesus my life ever read. Yes. Oh no, you will never know. You never show. So what's it? I the song that don't run. You wake up? Oh, so grandma. But yeah, so and that's my friend girls Jazzy. Look at my baby. Yes, boo boo. This makes me smile. Oh no, my camera watches right now. But yeah, Rowan, I'm filming. They're not going to see my panty.
I'm not talking about a road.
Oh. So yeah, so that's my Facebook, and then my Gmail looks like that, and it's just like the regular apps, but the Coco PBA, it just changed up everything, you know. So that's that. Just gonna take me to promotions. GoFundMe. Yeah, that's basically what it is. And then I have iMovie, which I did how I edit my vlogs on my iMovie. I have that video up. And then I have Instagram. I have intro design. Of course, I have to show you guys my Instagram because you know that's promotion, right? So Sweet King Jazzy Baptiste, hey babe, there you go, honey. Yes, wow, Fluffy Miss Kitty, are you that good? Strawberry Claytons. Yes, boo. And this is my page here. I am on Periscope, Lyric Rochester, and I'm also on what's this called? Snapchat, Lyric Rochester. And where is my page? Oh, yes, boo boo. Call me by Lyric. That's my business account, you guys. Please follow. And this is my clientele like account, my Jamaican makeup artist Instagram page. So that's what those are. Then of course I have intro designer, which is what I use as I showed you guys in my how I edit my vlogs video. Messages, messenger for Facebook, Moldiv, and Moldiv is what I use to put my picture in little like blocks or like put three of them together at a time or whatever. So, but that's what that is right there. And then I also have music, PayPal, Periscope, Pinterest, Twitter, and YouTube Studio. So y'all probably gonna see how much I make on YouTube right now. But if it doesn't open up to, is it gonna? Yes, it did. It did. If you looked really fast, you'd have seen like how much I made. But yeah, so this is what it does. It shows you probably like how much you make. Let me tell you. So it shows you your dashboard. It tells you how much you make. Also you have your playlist. It's like your YouTube, but the business end of your YouTube, the monitor end of your YouTube, your analytics. So what I used to have to do, I used to have to go on the computer to find out all of these things. But with YouTube Studio, it's called YouTube Studio, I just open the app and I have that instead of having to go on a computer, because I used to have to go on a PC to look at that. Then of course I have my photos at the bottom, that's Jonathan, my Snapchat, my WhatsApp, and YouTube. And then I have flashlight, iTunes Store, mail, and that's where all my emails come into play. Yeah, that's where my emails come into play. And then I have More Beauty too, which is what I use to edit my videos, and I'm going to show you guys how I edit my videos right now. Hopefully this thing doesn't stop recording, because it stopped recording. So you click select a photo, I'm going to go into all photos, and then oh, you guys are seeing my life right now. Oh my god, this is embarrassing. So let's choose this picture. So just click the photo that you want, and what I do is I turn down the brightness. So the brightness going down. So the brightness on the bottom left hand of the screen, I think, for me. So turn on the brightness. Smoothing makes it extremely smooth, like almost like there's nothing on your face. When you turn down the smoothing, it shows you all the wrinkles and stuff. If you can't see the mild difference, not sure. But now I bring my smoothing to about there, right in the middle. Then details, you turn up the details and it just brings up everything, like your eyes, the little wrinkles and stuff. Turn down the details, it smooths out the face even more. I'm going to turn up the details. Oh, turn down the details a little bit because my bumps showing. Then tone, you can make it warmer or a little bit cooler, you know, completely depends on you. I'm going to turn my tone all the way down. Then I click the arrow box, the box with the arrow coming out of it at the top. Click that. Then it says save photo, process saved, okay, complete, and that's it. So let's go look at the photo that I just did. Where is it? All photos. There we go. That's the photo that we just edited. Yes, that headband though. Oh, and this is a tutorial. This is a tutorial for you guys, so don't worry. All right. So that's that. Then I have my Netflix, reminders, XE currency, because I don't do most of my business is in USD, so I always like this app. I just type in like how much money is such and such. Like $20 is 2,390 Jamaican dollars, as you can see, and you can add more currencies down here. And let's say you want to add probably yen or whatever, just click it and then go back, and I think it's automatically added. Yeah, see it updated, it's at the bottom now. So that's what that is. And Insta Save, which I just downloaded, don't really like it, but in here I have all the extra stuff: compass, tips, voice memos, contacts, find friends, find iPhone, iBooks, Game Center, like all the boring stuff that I really don't use. Then this is where I hide all my other apps. Now the drawback to the this is what the YouTube Studio app actually looks like, that app right there. So that's what it looks like, that right there, beside more. And that's what more BT2 or more BT looks like, really. Moldiff and all that, that's what they really look like. Intro Design, that's what they really look like. And I have to put these in a folder, because if I should delete them, then the app won't work, the animated or whatever icon won't work, so I have to keep them in like a little folder. And the drawback I was saying is that you don't get notifications with the Coco PPA apps. So let me show it. I mean, so these pretty apps, these pretty things, stop that. These pretty things, you don't get notifications in them. You have to go into your actual thing to see the notifications, or just to go and check randomly, which is like a bummer. So I don't know if that will ever be fixed, I don't know, but that's what that is right there. And then these are my games. Boo Dana Dash, haven't played that yet. My #1 game though is Jelly Splash, Juice Jam, Killer Bean, Temperon, Treasure. Yeah, so Jelly Splash, Juice, Killer, Temperon, Treasure, Dino Dash, and Minions. I don't really play. Why am I opening up that? It's, yeah, so I really love Juice Jams. So I'm going to show you guys how I play Juice Jams. Just click play, then it loads up. This is Juice Jams that I'm in now. No man, I say nobody not make them. Oh no, I'm at level 22. I know, I love it. I love it. What do you want from me? What do you want from me? Find all the popsicles. Okay, let's do this. Me? So you just like, you know, like put them to reveal the popsicle underneath, so that the penguins can be happy, because they tend to be a little bit temperamental, these penguins. These penguins are aggressive. Boo boo. So that's how I play it. Then Treasure Run. Then in stuff I have Scotia Banking, which is my because I have my company Rochester International, Home by Lyric. Those are my bank is Scotia Bank, and also for my personal banking and the Scotia Bank split camera that I can use to put two pictures beside each other. So that's what that is. Settings, as you know, whatever. Then camera, calendar, Safari, and Coco PPA that I use, and I got the background with the lips from Coco PPA as well. So that's basically it. I normally want to get to my camera because it's so far. I just scroll up and I get to my camera. If I want to dial, I scroll to the side, and then I go to my phone and dial, because I use those more frequently, and they're always right there. Big people Father Johnny use Ray. Yeah, so that's basically it, you guys, for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for requesting it, and I'm glad that you guys are liking these Tech Tuesdays. The next one will be how I edit my makeup tutorials. So I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.